We are going to make a healthy peanut butter chocolate milkshake. We're going to call it the Reese's peanut butter shake. So Danica's going to help me. We're going to use the chopper. We have ice cream, which is a light ice cream, and we have a Premier protein shake, and then we have some raw peanut butter. Almost lost it. Okay, Danica, open that up. We're gonna put 2 scoops of ice cream, or maybe we'll do 4 scoops. Got it? Okay. 2 more. It's okay if we have extra. 1 more. So we're putting about 4 scoops of the light vanilla ice cream.
Love you too.
And we're gonna do, if you want more peanut butter, you can add more peanut butter, but I'm gonna do 2 spoons of peanut butter just to give it a good flavor. And then we're gonna do protein shake. Okay, and we're gonna stick it all in here. Go ahead. Okay, now put the lid on. Put the lid on. Okay, now we're gonna, go ahead, pull on it. So we have the chocolate protein shake, peanut butter, and some ice cream, and look at that. That just looks delicious.
Love you too. Love you, Mona.
Okay,
Bye.
stop. Now, if you come closer, camera lady, we have a milkshake.